Moving as we get towards the closing bell, investors are plenty to focus on, but tomorrow is going to be a lot bigger. The big hitter is going to be the Fed. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell is actually going to talk about monetary policy before the opening bell in the morning. With $4 billion in assets under management, I want to bring in Mainstay Capital Management founder, CEO, and chief investment strategist, David Kudla. David, it's always good to talk to you, and it's interesting that he's going to be talking before the market opens because we've also got all that data coming out tomorrow. We're going to get PPI, we got retail sales, we'll have Walmart earnings out. It's a big, economic morning. What are you expecting?
Yeah, it's a big day for the Fed, and it's a big day for economic data coming out. The Fed meeting is more about looking at their framework on how they will adjust policy going forward, considering how much emphasis they put on their dual mandate of price stability and employment. So, probably what they're going to be talking about is now that we have inflation as high as it's been in the last few years, we probably need more emphasis on it. In terms of where we are with the markets right now, the big news is obviously with the China trade deal. That's taken the major uncertainty for the markets in the first half of the year out. Corporate earnings didn't collapse. We had 13.2% in Q1 corporate earnings. I expect the data tomorrow to be good. We've got record buybacks coming, buyback season, corporate stock buyback season opening back up. And they're working on a tax cut package that they've got some pain points, but they're working through those. That'll be fiscal stimulus that'll help stocks, maybe not so good for bonds. So you can't help but be constructive here on stocks. And President Trump even said buy stocks. So.
Well, you've got some ETFs that you like, and I do want to get these in before we head out for the bells. You've got Invesco S&P 500 Momentum ETF, American Century U.S. Quality Growth, and then SBDR, the Spider S&P 500 Growth.
Yeah, so these three ETFs we like them because we own them, full disclosure, but they are ETFs that perform very well in this rally we've had off the bottom from April 7th. You'll see a lot of the Magnificent Seven stocks in these ETFs, but it's about large cap growth, mega cap growth, and QGRO actually has some mid cap in it. But if you look at what these stocks have done off the April 7th low, double-digit returns, upwards of 20%, and they are the beneficiaries of what we're seeing as the market moves back from a defensive posture to a more, people going on offense, coming back into the markets and stocks.
David Kudla, it's always great to speak with you, David. Thank you so much.